Hey, João, how are you?
Hey Lou, I'm good. Just the usual hustle, you know? How's life as a student and part-time saleswoman?
Surviving, ha ha ha. But I told you I've been thinking about starting to invest.
You? Invest? Ha ha. I thought you were going to say you wanted to open a clothing store or something.
Ha ha ha, I wish. But seriously, I've been thinking about it because I see a lot of people talking about it, and I wanted to understand a bit more. You know I don't have a lot of extra money, but what if I start with a little?
Invest with little? Lou, you're not the only one, you know. I was also in that situation, not knowing where to start. But I found some ways that might help you. There are options where you can start with $50, 00, or even less.
No way. I thought you had to have like 10K in the bank to start investing.
Well, that's the biggest lie people tell. Let me tell you. Remember when you bought that beautiful jacket on sale without thinking much?
Ha ha ha, I remember. In the end, I barely used it. Just because it was on sale and seemed like a good investment in my style.
Exactly. If we know what we're doing, it can be a good investment. Investing isn't just about buying stuff. It's also about knowing where to put the money so it grows. And you don't need a fortune to do that. I started with $50, 00 in Treasury Direct. And look, I'm already seeing returns.
Treasury Direct. Never heard of it. Explain.
It's like a savings account from the government, but it pays more, you know? You lend your money to the government, and in return, they pay you interest. I started with $50, 00, no risk at all. And if I need the money back, I can redeem it anytime.
Wow, so it's like investing without the fear of losing everything?
Exactly. And that's not all. There's also CDB, which is another way to lend money, but to banks, and it's also safe and has good returns. And then there's stocks. But for that, you need a bit more patience and be okay with a bit more risk.
So, I can start investing without fear of losing everything? And with just $50, 00?
Yes. And the best part, you won't even miss it because it's such a small amount. The idea is to take the extra money you have, and instead of letting it sit there, make it grow.
I love the idea. And what if it goes wrong?
If it goes wrong, I'll tell you. But honestly, the worst that can happen is that the value doesn't grow as much. The important part is to start, even if it's with little. You'll see, at some point, the money starts working for you.
I'm feeling more confident now. I think I'm going to try this Treasury Direct. It's like a little test.
Exactly. And when you do it, let me know. Let's see who can turn $50, 00 into more quickly, ha.
Ha ha ha, deal. I'm even thinking about how to invest the money I didn't spend on that snack last weekend.
Exactly, Lou. Every little bit counts. And the best part, if you start now, in a few months, you'll have more than just $50, 00.
I'm so excited now. I'm going to study more about this and I'll call you when I make my first investment.
Great. I'm rooting for you. But look, invest with your head, okay? Don't just buy stocks from those companies everyone talks about just because they're trending. Research before putting your money in.
Got it. I'll research everything. Don't worry. From now on, I'm going to start investing with what I have, even if it's little.
That's the spirit, Lou. And remember, if you have any questions, call me. We're in this together.